Presenting a pre-owned 2005 Lexus LX 470. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4-liter V8 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 121,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 16 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, moonroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.